Alright everybody, it's Wes from Wes Almeida Restoration. It's just a quick video. I just wanted to show you something today. I tried an experiment. My experiment is with the Icebox and a pair of shoes that I had to try to deoxidize. In case you run out of Salon Care 40, or I use the 50 volume, but if you run out of it, will it still work if you put it in the Icebox? So I tried that today, and I will show you what I did so that you can see me pulling it out of the box. So all I did was laid it on the bottom. So I just laid it in the bottom. I just did like 2 fingers worth of space on here for me to see if the volume can work. You can see a slight difference there. And this is the part I did not put it on. But then if you rotate the shoe, you see how yellow it is. So it will take out some of the oxidation if you don't have any of the cream. Just the cream will help it come out a little bit better. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button down there. That's the like button. Subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you get all the videos when they come out. So got a bunch more coming, so be prepared for those. That's all. Just wanted to show you that it can work. It's just not as good. Alright, talk to you later. Peace.